and welcome to Teresa Treats. Today we are going to make a perfect starter. It's easy, delicious. Yes, it's yummy butter garlic mushrooms. Let's see how to make this. For the butter garlic mushrooms, I am taking a pan and when it's hot, I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil. And a generous amount of salted butter. Now if you add only butter, then the butter will get burnt. That's the reason I'm adding oil, as it helps to prevent the butter from burning. Now let's wait for the butter to melt and become hot. Now that the butter has melted, I'm going to add here 3 teaspoons of chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. We'll saute them for a few minutes until they are golden in color and the raw smell disappears. Now this will not take more than 2 to 3 minutes. Now that our garlic and ginger are fried, let's add 400 grams of whole button mushrooms. I'm not cutting the mushrooms because they really look good. So I'm keeping them as whole. I've washed the mushroom thoroughly, pat-dried them, and now we will saute these mushrooms for a few minutes. Mushrooms usually don't take much time to cook. Now along with it, we'll also add salt here. Now once we add salt, you will notice that the mushroom starts to release water. So keep sauteing them till the water starts to dry up. Now that most of the water has evaporated, let's add chili flakes. Adjust according to your spice level. If you don't have chili flakes, take some whole red chilies and grind them coarsely. I'm also adding here oregano, the same one we use for pizzas, for that extra flavor, and it also gives a very nice taste. And along with it, pepper powder. Now it is totally up to your spice level how much you want to add. Next we are adding freshly chopped coriander leaves. Be generous with this as it enhances the taste and freshness. Coriander leaves are actually the heart of this recipe. Now we'll saute them for a few minutes and then finally we will add 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. Now this is totally optional, but it makes the mushrooms rich and creamy. Give it a good mix and that's it. Our butter garlic mushrooms are ready. Now let's plate them. So our butter garlic mushrooms are ready. It's really a perfect dish. You can feel the slight buttery taste, slight spiciness, the oregano flavor. Yes, it's yum and I'm sure you will love it if you make it. So do make it and let me know in the comments how you liked it. And as always I say, cook with passion, serve with love. Follow Teresa Treats, like my channel, share my channel and do subscribe. And I will meet you in the next video.